Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about n8n automation. Here you can go and type n8n. This one is the official website. You can open it. After that, click here Get Started. Here you need to add your email. You can add the business email, personal email. I can copy it and then add it here. Then click submit button. I need to add the verification code here. This one is the verification code. Let me scroll down, copy it, add it here, submit. Here I need to add the detail. Then add the password. Then add the account name, Enable Website Design 1. Then scroll down, click here Start Free 14-day trial. Now account creation is in progress. Here we need to fill out this detail. Select one of the option, then click submit, then skip. And here you can see this is a workflow page. So now we can start from scratch. Now what I want to do, there is a website, watch online movies, this one. Now I want to type here feed. So now I want to add the content from this website. Click here add first step, then select trigger manually. I can drag it in the start. Click here plus button, then search for feed. RSS feed, this one. Now here we need to add the feed URL. I can copy it and then add the link here. Then click here, test the trigger. Okay, content is loading. After that, click here, then click here plus button, then add the limit, this one. Here you can select maximum number of items. For example, let me select 5. Then close it. Now click here plus button, search for AI agent, this one. Then close it. Now we need to integrate the chat model. Click here plus button, search for Google Gemini chat model. Here we need to add the Gemini API key to connect it. Here you can go and search for Google Gemini API key. Here you can go to this page. Click here create the API key. scroll down, accept terms and conditions, then click here continue button, then click here create API key. Here you can give a name, for example 1. Then here you can select any of the option, create project, create key, okay, this one is the API key. Here you can go and add it, set up credential, scroll down, then API key, then click save button. That's fine. Now here you can select the different AI models. So by default selected Gemini 3 Flash Preview. That's fine. Now click here AI agent. Then select this one, define below. Then expand it. Now here you can type anything. Here you can also select this one, required specific output format. Okay, click here expression, then expand it. Create a blog for this topic. Now scroll down. Here we need to add this one, content snippet. Then you can edit any of the instructions. For example, write maximum 300 words, article, include, enable, website design, keyword 5 times, then close it. After that, execute the step. Okay, everything is working fine. Workflow executed successfully. Now click here this one plus button, then structured output parser. So here you need to replace with your own text. So I will give you a link in the description what that you want to add. Now I need to copy these. Let's go back. Then replace. Just we can remove these and add it here. Now close it. Now let me zoom out. Now here we need to add the website. Click here plus button, then search for WordPress. Then here you can see different options. You can create a page, you can create a post, you can create a draft post. Whatever you want to do, you can easily do that. Click here create a post. Now here we need to set up the credentials. Click here. Here we need to add the username, then add the password, then add the website URL. This one is the demo website that I want to use. I can add the link here. Now I need to add the username and password. For that I need to go here, log in into my WordPress website. You need to do same thing on your side. Make sure that you are adding correct username and password. Now we need to go in users, then edit the user, scroll down. Here you can give application name worldbusiness739 gmail.com, then add the application password. So this is the application password. I have added the same username that I have on the top. I can add the username here, then scroll down. I can copy this one, application password, then add it here, then scroll down, click here save button. Now after that, here we need to map the fields. Now WordPress website is connected. Here we need to map the fields. So expand it. Now we can drag the title here. Then click here add field. Here we need to add the content field. Let me scroll down. Here simply you can drag the content field, add it here. Now click here execute step. Workflow executed successfully. Now we need to go back. Click here post. Here you can see we got this one new post. Now we can preview it.